In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Zoho Books. Whether you're working in a multilingual environment or prefer to use a different language for ease of understanding, knowing how to alter the language settings can optimize your user experience and streamline your workflow. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have a solid grasp of the process by the end. Let's start by heading over to the Zoho Books website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser, type in Zoho Books in the search bar and hit enter. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice the layout is clean and user-friendly, designed to facilitate easy navigation. Now locate the Sign In button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to move forward. As the sign-in page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, which consist of your email and password associated with your Zoho Books account. Once you've filled in this information, proceed by clicking the Sign In button. In case you have opted for signing in via a Google account, simply choose Sign In using Google, which will redirect you to another page. Here, click on your Google email from the list and Zoho Books will verify your Google credentials. This method can save you some time, especially if you are already logged into your Google account on the browser. Upon successful login, you'll be taken to the Zoho Books dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can manage finances, track expenses, and gain insights into your business's financial health. Pay close attention to the layout, as getting familiar with your surroundings will be beneficial for navigation in future tasks. Next, direct your attention to the Settings option. Typically located in the top right corner, it's the hub for personalizing various aspects of your Zoho Books experience. Click on Settings and you will be presented with a menu displaying a variety of customizable options. In the Settings menu, find and click on Profile. This section hosts various details specific to your account and organization, such as your company name, address, and contact details. However, our focal point today is the language settings, so let's move forward. Within the Profile section, you should see the option labeled Language. Click this link to access the language selection menu. Here you'll find a list of languages that Zoho Books supports. Carefully browse through these options and select the language you prefer to switch to. This step is where you customize your experience to best suit your needs and comfort. After choosing your preferred language, it's crucial to save these changes. Locate the Save button, often positioned at the bottom or top of the page. Click on it to ensure your selection becomes the new interface language, reflecting your personalized preferences throughout the platform. As you save your settings, Zoho Books will automatically refresh the page to apply the new language. This change should be immediate, transforming all headers, buttons, and text into the language you've selected. This quick transition underscores the platform's user-centric design, ensuring you can move forward with your tasks without any interruptions. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the language in Zoho Books. These steps, though quite straightforward, can significantly enhance your user experience, letting you interpret data and navigate the application in a language you're most comfortable with. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. First, you've logged into your account via the Zoho Books website using either your Zoho or Google credentials. From there, you navigated to Settings, proceeded to the Profile section, selected your desired language, and saved your changes to ensure a seamless transition. These simple steps bring a whole new level of customization to your business management tools, enriching your accounting experience and allowing you to interact with the software with ease and precision. Should you encounter any issues or require further customization, Zoho's support resources and community forums are excellent places to look for assistance and tips to optimize your user setup even more. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, where we'll explore even more features and tips to enhance your productivity with Zoho Books. Take care and happy bookkeeping.